In this video, I'm going to show you how to use chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds derived from a Native American flowering plant called the Salvia hispanica. They're favored for their nutty, slightly earthy flavor, which make them great for adding to a number of sweet and savory dishes. The reason why chia seeds are so popular today, however, is more due to their endless health properties than their taste. Chia seeds are full of important nutrients and are thought to reduce inflammation, prevent cancer, aid in digestion, promote healthy hair and skin, treat joint pain, and remove toxins from the body, to name just a few of their benefits. Chia seeds have proved to be incredibly promising in promoting weight loss. So, what are the weight loss benefits of chia seeds? The main reason why chia seeds can assist in weight loss is that while a small serving of them is relatively low in calories, they're high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel fuller for longer. This means when you start your day with chia seeds, you're less likely to hit a mid-morning energy slump and reach for the first high-sugar snack you come across. Simply put, chia seeds can help you lose weight by enabling you to eat less food. So, how can you use chia seeds for weight loss? There are many ways to include chia seeds in your diet for their weight loss benefits. Keep in mind that you don't want to overdo it. Just a sprinkle of the seeds is enough to have a positive effect on your body. You could add chia seeds to your daily diet in a number of ways. 1. Sprinkle the seeds onto your breakfast cereal, porridge, or yogurt, and complement the flavor of the foods in your bowl. Thanks to their healthy fats and fiber content, they'll keep your energy levels sky high well into the early afternoon. 2. Add a spoonful of chia seeds to your morning smoothie. This is an option if you're not a fan of the texture or taste of the seeds, as they'll virtually be eliminated in the blender. Since the seeds will absorb some of the liquid from the other ingredients like water and milk, they can help your smoothie keep you feeling full longer. 3. Sprinkle the seeds on top of a salad or stir-fry to introduce a new flavor to your food. Chia seeds make a far better topping than croutons, as they deliver the crunch you crave without the excess calories, saturated fat, and chemicals. You can also whip up a salad dressing featuring chia seeds. Simply add the seeds to your go-to dressing recipe and let it soak for 10 minutes before squeezing onto your salad. Make chia water by mixing a teaspoon of chia seeds with a tall glass of water and letting it sit for 20 minutes before drinking. If you're looking for something with a more interesting flavor, create a concoction called chia fresca by combining 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon or lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Let the seeds soak overnight and drink the next morning. 5. Add them to homemade protein bites. There's no reason to cut out all the sweet stuff when trying to lose weight, and protein balls containing seeds, raw oats, nut butter, dark chocolate, and fruit are a great, healthier snack alternative. Mix a couple of tablespoons of chia seeds into your recipe to give a satisfying crunch without affecting flavor. 6. Make chia seed peanut butter by adding a few spoonfuls of the seeds into your shop-bought or homemade nut butter. This is a simple way to add some omega-3s into your diet if you're not a big fan of fatty fish or other sources of the nutrient. So, are there any side effects of chia seeds for weight loss? Chia seeds are incredibly nutritious and beneficial to eat, but ingesting too many of them can cause some pretty unpleasant side effects in the digestive system. Because chia seeds are an incredible source of fiber, offering 11 grams of fiber in each 28-gram serving, it's easy to overdo it on the fiber intake by eating just a tablespoon too many chia seeds. Too much fiber can cause a number of issues, including bloating, stomach pain, gas, diarrhea, and constipation. This is more likely to occur if you're also dehydrated, as fiber relies on a good water intake to pass quickly through the digestive system. Another smaller risk of chia seeds is their potential to cause choking. This is because when the seeds mix with water, they swell up, absorbing about 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid. Always be careful to consume chia seeds carefully to prevent them from swelling up and lodging in your throat. To conclude, chia seeds have switched from trendy to mainstream, and when you look at their endless health benefits, it's unsurprising that so many people have jumped on the chia seed bandwagon. You can purchase chia seeds from your local supermarket or health store, or buy them in bulk online. Click here if you'd like to purchase them. They're incredibly easy to add to your diet, and if you use them sensibly, there's evidence to suggest they can assist in weight loss. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on the amazing benefits of chia seeds. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.